Hello friends, this is Jana from Cedar Technologies. In this video I'm going to show you how to get started with your rugged CT4 smartphone. Alright, so first let's turn the smartphone on. The power button for the CT4 is located on the left side if you're facing the screen, so down here on the bottom. So we're just going to take the power button and hold it down for a couple seconds until the screen lights up. There you are. You'll see the welcome screen. It'll just take a couple minutes for the system to get going. It'll focus out like that, and shortly after that we'll get to the home screen. Now, usually your CT4 will arrive with at least 40% battery power, but if you find that your phone is not turning on right away, you might need to charge it. And if that's the case, that's no trouble at all. You just access the charging port. Since this is a rugged phone and it is intended to be water and dust proof, everything is sealed on the phone, which including the access ports for power and for headphones. So what you'll find, the power port is located on the right side of the phone, and underneath a little rubber power strip. There's two here. One of them peels upward, and that's going to be for your headphones. The one below it peels downward, and that's going to be for your power. Now, you can pry these open with your fingernails. However, it is very important to maintain the integrity of these seals in order to make sure that your phone's interior stays safe. So we would recommend instead using the little screwdriver prying tool that is provided with your startup kit, and you just come in and you slide it right underneath the little rubber door. There we go. Just pops right up there. And as you can see way down there, away from the surface of the phone is the USB port, and that is where your phone charger will go. So you can charge your phone for a bit, and when you're finished, just make sure that you put the seal down securely. This is one of the very few ways that you can ruin the electrical integrity of your phone. So you just need to make sure that you press it down completely all the way, so that if you turn it, you see it's completely flush with the side. That means you have a good tight seal on there. And just to demonstrate above that, this is your headphone jack. Again, can be accessed with the little screwdriver prying tool. Gets it started, pull it up, and again, way down there, that is a jack for your headphones, and the headphones, it works with a headphone with a microphone on as well. So press that down, again, very tightly. Excellent. Now you may have noticed that we have the back off the phone. That's where you're going to put your SD card and your SIM card, but we'll explain that one in the next video. So returning to the front. So now your phone is on, it's charged enough to work properly, and we're going to I'm just going to show you some of the very basic functions of the phone. So we don't have a SIM card yet, and as I said, we'll discuss that in our next video, but we do have access to a wireless network, so we can get connected to Wi-Fi right away. So setting up your Wi-Fi connection for the mini phone is pretty standard, since it's similar to most Android devices you might have used in the past. So first you're going to unlock the phone. So when your phone's asleep, you press the center button down here to wake it up. And that brings you, and then you just swipe sideways to unlock. And here you are on your home screen. So in order to connect to Wi-Fi, you have to access your system settings. There's several ways to do that. As you know, if you have an Android phone, you can access your system settings by swiping down the screen. And there will be options for settings, which are up here in the corner. Or you can go to your app menu and locate settings. It really doesn't matter. There's several ways to do this, and whichever one is most convenient for you, that's probably the one that you should use. So for our purposes, we're going to go to again, this is the home button, this is the back button, and this is the basic menu button, which is another way that you can get to your settings. So we're going to go to System Settings. As you can see, we have the Wi-Fi activated. When you first get your phone, it will be off in this position. All you have to do is slide your finger until the on button is activated. And then to select your wireless network, you're going to click on the Wi-Fi bar. These are all of the wireless networks available. This is our home network, and we're already connected to that one. But if you wanted to connect to a different one, we'll show you that this, and it's a Wi-Fi network with a secure access. All you do is select the network. It'll display your network name up here, and then you just type in the password down here. And as you can see, this is grayed out right now, but when you have completely filled in the password, you're just going to hit connect, and you will be connected to Wi-Fi. And since we already are, we're just going to return to the home screen and continue this process. So hit our home button. Now, your phone comes equipped with a few very basic apps. This one has some additional ones loaded up for you. And, of course, if you buy one of our app packages online, such as our GeoJot Plus package, you're going to see that software already loaded on there for you as well. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to show you some of the basic apps. But first, if you want, we want you to also know that you can download additionals. And all you have to do in order to do that is go to the Google Play Store. So you're just going to swipe to the icon that says Play Store. Click right there on that. And this is where you can search for apps. You can just type anything into the search bar, search for it, and there's a variety of free and pay apps available to you. When you first go to the Play Store, you will need to set up a Play Store account. If you already have an account, you can just you can just put in the information for your existing account. If you already have a Gmail account, you can usually convert that into a Play Store account. And unlike with an Apple Store account, it's quite nice because you don't have to put in your credit card information automatically. You only have to submit your credit card information if you later decide to purchase apps that are not free. So that's how you get to the Play Store, and we'll go back to the main menu. And one final parting note about memory capacity management with the CT4. The CT4 comes with a 1 gig, 4 gig internal memory, and that's going to get you pretty far for most regular uses. You can get a lot of apps that way. Your phone will run just fine. But if you want to take a lot of videos or a lot of pictures, you're most likely going to want an SD card. As you can see, we have a micro SD right here, and the installation and care and management of that's going to be covered in our next video, so be sure to check that out. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our other how-to videos from Cedar Technologies. If there's any other how-to videos you'd like us to film, just please let us know. You can contact us through cedartreetechnologies.com or through our Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. And thank you once again for watching, and don't forget, good things come in tough packages.